Hey guys, check this out. I just got a delivery from my friends over a Bolt and I can't wait to get it set up on the Jeep. It's the Bolt Receiver Hitch Lock, and just like the other Bolt locks, it's designed to be used with my Jeep's key. Inside the package, you get the lock itself, which is designed for all-weather use and looks great. When you open the cap, you get a warning label telling you not to remove it until setup. The lock is super straightforward, but built very well. The receiver pin just pushes into the lock and securely fastens. So let's grab my Jeep key and get this programmed. First, remove the warning label and then the rubber seal over the keyhole. Next, just insert your Jeep key and do one full rotation. That's it, we're all set. So let's test this out one more time. Perfect. Looks like they also sent me a couple goodies. Check out this super cool USB drive in the shape of a lock. Love it. And of course they included a duck for Loki too. And this cool keychain. Alright, so let's run out to the Jeep and get this installed. First things first, let's remove the old pin and clip. This was just a basic setup and didn't really offer any protection. Now let's grab our Bolt lock. And of course, our Jeep key. After getting it unlocked, just slide in the pin and then attach the lock itself. That's it. Super secure and looks great too. Check out this Bolt lock and all their other offerings using the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.